Gold daily chart, this trend line already tested 4 times. If retest again, then this will be 5th attempt. Problem with trend line, it is dynamic level. Number change every day. But visually you can see almost there, price testing this trend line once again. In gold right now, this trend line on daily time frame, this is most important chart pattern. All gold trader, long term, short term, they only care about this trend line. Price will hold above this trend line. This triple top will break out or not, or this trend line will break down. This is the only chart pattern and it is most popular right now. Two possibility: trend line hold, range breakout, or after some small bounce, trend line breakdown. So all the bulls, they will target minimum 3430. Once breakout, entire crowd will join. Bears, after trend line breakdown, they all will target minimum 3150 area. In case of bulls, all of them who are buying now, I think they will be buying based on 3150 level. That area, that is their risk management. Once candlestick close below trend line, they will exit, or all the buyers who have old entry like near 2600, they must have SL below this trend line or more clear below 3150. So in case of trend line breakdown, they will exit, or market goes down, one by one hit their SL. But surely one candlestick closing below trend line, bulls will take profit. And new entry will not come before range breakout. And all the people buying, I think 3150, that will be their risk management area. So I think for new sale entry, this will be big resistance level. This will be our next profit taking target. But for new entry, if you cannot manage your risk minimum 3430, do not sell. That is your risk area, and up to 3150, that is your reward area. But still trade have more reward than risk. But before I explain how you trade this daily time frame trend line, I will explain everything. All time frame higher than daily, all time frame lower than daily. Everything step by step. So first let's see weekly time frame. Price going up since 1620. This theory is called stagflation, and there are so many names: central bank gold buying, de-dollarization, debt spending, and last year 100 basis point cut for Biden and tariff. All of those things can convert into one word: stagflation. Previously, people like me, they were asking why Fed did 50 basis point cut pre-election, and after election he panicked on stagflation for any reason but not cutting interest rate. Recent speech this week, again you can see Waller and Bowman, they were all saying July rate cut. Powell came, said no cut in July, and wait and watch until September month. JD Vance, very big boys, vice president. If Trump party win election once again in 2028, then this will be next president. So now he's saying, ready to argument why Powell cut 50 basis point right before election, not after election. Since this area 1620, since 2020-22, they are trying premature rate cut every time they fail. If you count, first attempt Biden time failed, second attempt Biden time failed, third attempt Biden time failed. Pre-election 50 basis point cut, which JD Vance said yesterday. Then during election timing, everyone waiting what Trump will do in second term. Again sideways correction. That was last and fourth attempt by Trump. Officially they did not cut, but dollar is very weak since that day. Since inauguration it is falling and made new intraday low this week. But funny thing is dollar made new intraday low, but gold did not break out range. So this is fourth time since November 2022 FOMC meeting. They all tried, every time the rate cut without a deep recession, every time they failed. Now they give up. That's why they don't need dovish cut from Powell. That's why they are asking this question: why Powell cut before election, after election only rate pause? And to hide this thing in history, because university economic course they will do research on this thing. So tariff and all of those hot war, they hide that 50 basis point question. Under Biden pressure, they cut 50 basis point, risk stagflation, and because of Trump tariff, Iran war, they pause interest rate. So big size politics happening. Powell is only for name, so many people running the show. Trump, he changed monetary policy expectation. JD Vance is new and asked very big question. Trump gave 3 names who will be next Fed chair. Once official announcement come, then there will be 3 person outside Powell who will save monetary policy expectation. And this is not new thing, same strategy they tried 50 years ago during Milton Friedman time, which they call shadow Fed chair. That's mean Trump, JD Vance and new Fed chair name which they will announce soon, which is unknown right now, and fourth, let's say Powell right now. And they are saying even Powell leave Fed chair post, it can be any post, we don't know, but he will be inside FOMC meeting. So total 4 person will be running Fed. Same strategy during Milton Friedman time, they are doing now once again. So be careful, high level politics happening. Weekly time frame, if price goes down, 3200 big static support level coming from weekly time frame for all scalper. In case if gold goes up, 3430 big static clear resistance coming from daily time frame. Monthly time frame wave counting on your screen, possible 3 or C wave. Monday, the next Monday, June monthly candlestick closing will come. If price close above 3289, that's in blue color, then it will attract bullish setup. Technically more scalp buying entry will come. If red closing come, anything can happen today until Monday closing. Downside target will be 3120. If candlestick close red, big surprise, or no change, same like May month, opening and closing price same to same near 3279. First up, April, May, June, 3 months sideways. Then later, first price goes up, Fed turn hawkish in April month, confirmed in the recent FOMC meeting. Then gold turn sideways during these 3 months. Then Fed become more hawkish and range breakdown. But everything start with Monday monthly closing bullish or red. Now back to daily time frame. I have explained what is happening on weekly and monthly time frame. Support and resistance are crystal clear. And now in case of breakdown, because 3 months starting this top, Fed was secretly hawkish. Only insider know that was big crash. May FOMC meeting officially hawkish. June FOMC meeting new dot plot. Clearly more hawkish using fake war news. Now for scalper, let's go more lower time frame below daily. 3430 static resistance. Fake pump on fake war. Wick dump after it become clear that war was fake. First correction, wick vertical dump. Correction again. Current price area near 3350, big static resistance. Price testing after breakdown. If you see intraday H1 time frame where you will trade, when price was making this low yesterday, updated this short video, upper channel breakdown, price was testing lower trend line, updated in Telegram so that everyone can have instant access to information. But market doing same as expected, either bounce, which is happening right now from daily time frame trend line, price stop falling, yes, $100 dump, then stop falling, price start falling first, then Fed speech came in the middle, hawkish. When everything become clear, then market start bouncing. So like expectation, it is bouncing from daily time frame trend line. Now question is, what next? Because you can see before Monday market open, Trump said something about war, everyone was panic, and we were expecting that because of war, range will break out, but only small gap up, then big vertical dump. CNN and New York Times both confirmed that what information came from Trump before Monday market open, that was fake war news. Later it became confirmed by market, big vertical dump in oil market, that was fake war to motivate buyers so that they can buy near higher part of this range. But market doing second step, when fake war news become confirmed and hawkish Powell, market went down, testing lower trend line as expected. So after lower trend line bounce, that's mean upper trend line retest. Number are clear, just explained few seconds ago. But this is old video, market doing same as expected. But goal here is, if you have sell entry near 3400, that Monday market open high, then hold those entry. Because intraday was same setup, buy the rumor, sell the news, fake war news. Because not one but two US news company confirmed that Iran war attack, most of the information was fake. And oil fully reversed, fully U-turn and confirmed that this was fake war news. Everything was already priced in. So like expectation, 3378 gap up near 3400, clear sell signal, now price going down. So if anyone have entry near 3400, they have great opportunity, hold that entry until price dip below 3200. So this is the wave counting I said yesterday when price was trading below 3340. Next target, like I explained, 3400. So currently price breaking our first resistance 3340, next resistance 3400, and same that wave counting, no change. Our wave A, V and C. Wave C did not make 100% projection and bounce coming before 100% projection. There is chance we are still in wave C. So in that condition, this week high to low 50% retracement complete. This area by default sell zone. So first selling entry near 3350 area. But do not sell if you cannot manage your risk up to 3400. In that condition, wave C is still active, just counter trend correction, and when price goes down, then near 38% projection wave C target, then you exit. Or wave C is small in length, then A, V, C, counter trend correction. In that condition, we will use top to bottom full retracement. Then 50%, skip that area. We only target 3350. Then next 61% retracement top to bottom. That is near 3400. That is next selling target. So use small entry, proper risk management near 3350. But if price spike 3400, you can start selling again. We have two level, two selling target, and downside target just explain on daily, weekly and monthly time frame. But it is clear, price goes up, first war news, second fake war news, every time price going down. On bottom, when everything become clear, confirmed by CNN and New York Times. On top, everyone panic on war. On bottom, peace news, ceasefire confirmed, fake war news confirmed. Look like top to bottom, that was giant center planning. So be careful, these two are big level, and I think price will stay below 3400 because FOMC panic on stagflation. They use war as a narrative to justify their hawkish tone, and they have made clear until they reduce tariff, they will not cut. And soon, beginning of July, tariff deadline is coming. Then listen carefully. After deadline complete, if Trump raise tariff, Fed already hawkish, they will delay cut more until September. If they decrease tariff, Fed will cut, but tariff is priced in since beginning of the year. So that thing can price out. So both way tariff increase or decrease, looks like both way it is bearish for gold right now. And you can see dollar is falling since starting of Trump second term. New range low. This week new low and still falling big red candlestick. And still gold trading below 3430 big static resistance on daily time frame. In beginning of the year, gold was up on weak dollar, but recently opposite. New range low, more weak dollar, but no effect on gold. This is your de-dollarization stagflation theory. Dump dollar asset, buy gold. So if dollar fall more, already they are panic and already highly oversold dollar. Let's see what happens next. But if dollar reverse and they pivot on dollar, big bounce come, then no resistance before 101, and it can be very bearish for gold. But very strange, dollar falling this week, but no major action in gold. First fake Iran war failed to range breakout, now weak dollar it is happening, but no range breakout in gold. And this is happening when number 2 consumer market India, they are on holiday, they are not buying gold jewelry. July month nobody will buy. August month they will start thinking, but still they will be on holiday. When September start, marriage season start, then they will start buying. You saw June month when Indian marriage season stop, big dump in gold. So number 2 consumer market will stay on sideline next 2 months more. They are not coming soon. So gold daily time frame trend line. This is number 1 chart pattern. Everyone waiting with their new entry or with their old entry. Either trend line hold or break down. I explained everything. But Fed is highly hawkish on stagflation. Second quarter was sideways all the time. Third quarter can be range breakdown. Let's see what will be the trigger, but I explained everything from H1 to monthly time frame.